Hi, this is AliShanMao and welcome to pre-flight setup video for OFM 650 V4 Special Edition, which is sitting right there. And the same video and all the procedures described in this video can also be applied to OFM 650S V2 quadcopter and also OFM MPQ V1 quadcopter 4S to 6S battery setup with NASA V2 systems. So basically this video will take you through all the steps after you take the quadcopter out of your box, setting it up for the flight, testing everything, and then going for the flight. And so basically this quadcopter is using NASA MGPS Lite system. My personal MPQ also using the NASA MGPS Lite flight control system, but if the customers order MPQ V1 or OFM 650S V2, which is not right here at the moment, they will get it with NASA V2 GPS system. So the pre-flight setup instructions are going to be the same for all these three quadcopters: 650 V4 SE Special Edition, 650S V2, and MPQ V1. So let's proceed with this video. Okay, first of all, I will highly recommend that you have a computer running Windows XP system. I don't know why DJIs, they don't like iMac or Mac computer systems, but they do have iPad support. So you go to the DJI Innovations website. Okay, it says DJI.com these days, before it used to be DJI Innovations. Go to products, and depending on NASA Lite, which is provided on 650 V4 SE, and or NASA V2 system provided on 650S V2 machines or MPQ V1. So you go to the respective product page for DJI. If you have a NASA M Lite, then go to the support and download. Go to downloads on the left. You can actually, on the tutorials, you can actually watch many tutorials on how to set it up, but they are going together with the DJI 450 quadcopter. So I will just say skip to that and go to downloads and download your NASA user manual, okay, and assistance software. Then you can go down and download your Windows 8 or DJI installer and drivers, okay. Install the drivers and install the NASA Lite assistance software on your computer, because this is very, very important for you to actually learn about these things. You should study the user manual, and also you should actually know how to program your quadcopter flight controller. This is going to be very, very handy later. So let's get back to the quadcopter, and we will also see how to connect it to the computer and run the assist software on DJI NASA. And see the different options of configurations. Then we will go out and fly it. Okay, once you receive your quadcopter, you will not have the GoPro 3 with it. This is my own, so I will take it away. You will not have batteries with it or any kind of chargers, so I will take it away. I keep them here just to show you GoPro, how to set up the camera gimbal on your quadcopter, and the batteries, which are highly, highly recommended to fly this aircraft. You will have your Futaba T8J radio system here, fully configured, fully programmed to use with your quadcopter, and sometimes I also remember to actually take a backup of your machine's programming, a radio programming. But if not, it's highly, highly recommended that you turn the radio on for the very first time, okay. Press the plus button a little longer, then you get to the menus, then you go to model select, okay, and you should have OFM 650 V4 SE. You go down and make sure to copy it to model 20, just to keep a backup copy. Here it shows model 5 because this is my own Futaba radio, but you should have model 1. Select model 1, and then here should be 1 to 20. So you should just go here and copy it to 20. Long press this button and it will copy the setup. So in case you mess up the setup, you will have a backup copy on your Futaba radio. take the canopy off. Let's prepare the quadcopter. Inside, this is your flight controller, this is your Futaba receiver, this is your GPS at the back side. We will talk about how to set up the GPS compass calibration, or how to do the calibration right outside when we go out, okay? Under here you will have an LED. Okay, doesn't mean it has to be here. Sometimes it's here, sometimes any side of the quadcopter, depending on how I'm setting it up. So this LED will also use to connect the quadcopter to the computer. You should have a cable in your NASA light box. Now, first, unfold. That's easy. Mount the canopy on. Now you need to add the landing gear. Shouldn't be a problem for you to understand these simple setups. That's it. 1, 2, and then you add your booms for the landing skids, making sure the yellow stays on the forward section according to the arms of your quadcopter. So if you force them in a little bit, they should fit just right. This is your battery tray, so your battery will mount here. Alright? Now that your quadcopter is done standing on its feet,